So, installing and using GlareDB's Python bindings. For the sake of this demo, I'm going to be showing this in a Jupyter Notebook. Of course, you can run this anywhere that you can run Python code. So first, we're going to run pip install GlareDB. Then we're going to import GlareDB. And then we're going to set up a GlareDB connection by just doing con equals glaredb.connect. Once we've done this, once we have our connection object, we can run any SQL query that we would want. So in this case, I'll use con.execute, and I'm going to be selecting from a Parquet file hosted on GitHub that has New York City real estate sales data. It's got 1 month from January 2022. And then while that's running, you see that it's calling to pandas, and that's so that I can easily take a look at the results of this query in the form of a pandas data frame. And there you have it. Check out the description for links to our documentation, our GitHub repo, and free sign up for GlareDB Cloud.